Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how we can add a new user or admin to the Google Search Console. Okay, for that you need to log into Search Console from your Gmail account. Okay, then if you have multiple accounts, you need to select the one account where you want to add new user. Then I have selected this user, this account, so where I'm going to add new user. Okay, so then we need to go to the setting. We need to find the setting. Okay, then let's click on setting. Then after this we need to see the user and permissions. This is user and permission. Then from here we can add new user. Okay, let's say I have to give this user. Then we can select here permission, his owner or full permission or restricted. Okay, so now I'm giving just full permission and I can add from here, right? Then in this way we can add new user to the Google Search Console, and if you want to delete the users you can just you can remove the access from here, or you can do change permission. Okay, in this way we can manage the users and Search Console. Thank you.